So welcome to आज का दबंग. मेरे साथ जो दो players already आ चुके हैं, that is one is Namrata and the other one is Amit. So first hello to Namrata. Namrata, how are you? Namrata, आपको थोड़ा सा ऊंचा बोलना पड़ेगा. I cannot hear you.
Okay, hi. Is it good now?
And now it's much better. आपकी आवाज, आपकी सुरीली आवाज बहुत अच्छी तरह सुनाई दे रही है. तो अब नम्रता, आप कहाँ से फोन कर रही हैं?
I'm from Fremont.
You're from Fremont and first time caller?
Yeah.
Bravo, bravo. Great to have you, Namrata, on the show. And मुझे बताइए आपकी दबंग क्वालिटी क्या है?
It's just that I like seeing movies and I sometimes just give answers to the shows in the TV and all. So I thought let's try it.
Wow, awesome. And कौन सी movies आप पसंद करती हैं? Bollywood movies, English movies, what do you prefer?
Bollywood is my preference, but yeah, I see Hollywood as well.
Okay, so दोनों Bollywood and Hollywood. And मुझे ये बताइए कि Bollywood में recent movie आपने कौन सी देखी थी?
Recent when I see the D-Day.
Oh, how is it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. Okay, awesome. Great. I still have to watch these movies. Great to have you, Namrata. And I'll tell you the theme of the show very soon for Aaj Ka Dabang. But before that, let's say hi to Amit. Amit, kya hal chal?
First class.
First class. Awesome. And Amit, are you the Amit who won the tickets for Sri Devi?
No.
No, you didn't. Okay, sorry. Well, no worries. बहुत सारे अमित होते हैं, मेरे को ये भी सोचना चाहिए. Okay, अमित कहाँ से फोन कर रहे हैं आप?
Cupertino?
Cupertino. And first time caller?
Not really.
Not really. Either no होता है या yes होता है. Not really क्या होता है?
No. I tried so many times.
अच्छा, you tried so many times. Okay, good. Well, I'm glad that you're on the show. So, आपकी दबंग quality क्या है?
Oh well, I can make the complex situation very easy for everybody.
Wow, I need to maybe hire you for your skill. क्योंकि मैं कहीं ना कहीं complex situation में मतलब फंसी जाती हूँ. But great to have you, Amit. Great दबंग quality, I have to say. And any Bollywood movies that you watched recently?
Yeah, I mean a number of movies like Lutera, Ranjana.
Wow, okay, so you're up to date.
Bhag Milkha Bhag.
Bhag Milkha Bhag. And how did you like Bhag Milkha Bhag?
It's a pretty good movie.
Pretty good movie.
So,
Good news,
great
everyone.
movie, yes, good.
Okay, awesome. Great to have you. And let me tell you the theme. Today's the आज का दबंग theme is comedy. So जो भी comedy movies हैं उसके मैं clips लेकर आई हूँ या गाने लेकर आई हूँ. आप मुझे बताएंगे कि कौन सी movie से है, and that's how we're going to play the game. Again, the winner of आज का दबंग is going to get a free meal. Full meal from La Salsa Fresh Mexican Grill, and I'll tell you more about La Salsa Fresh Mexican Grill in just few minutes. So Amit, given आपने पहली बारी मतलब पहला, I think you played this game before, so let's start with you. How about that?
Sure.
Okay, and what do you think your chances are?
100%.
There you go. ये हुई ना बात, 100%.
Unstoppable.
Yeah. Okay, here it is, your first dialogue. ध्यान से सुनना. बहुत ही मजेदार movie थी. And if you want some clues, I may give you some clues. But listen to this clip.
स्पेशलिस्ट कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट जी. तो कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट, मुझे बताओ, मुझे कौन सी खास जगह पर कैंसर हुआ है?
सर मेरी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है, मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ?
शट अप! तुम्हें लोगों ने उन स्टूडेंट्स को बताया कि मुझे कैंसर हुआ है, पर कैंसर के इलाज के लिए मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. गरीब हो चुका हूँ मैं. हंस रहे हो नालायक? शर्म नहीं आती तुम लोगों को? बच्चों की फीस छीन ली तुम लोगों ने, हैं? सुबह से 500 SMS आ चुके हैं मुझे. जब से उन लोगों को पता चला है मुझे कैंसर हुआ है.
Okay, जब से उनको कैंसर हुआ उनको 500 SMS आ चुके हैं. मुझे बताइए कौन सी मूवी से डायलॉग है?
I think it is Golmaal.
And it is...
Screech!
Everybody scream! Woo! Yeah, that is absolutely right. Absolutely right. That is Golmaal, and Golmaal जैसा आपको उसका मतलब play भी मिल गया from my production team. Here it is, next dialogue for you. Very well done on the first one. I thought it was a bit hard, but you got it. And ये तो मुझे लगता है आपको जरूरी पता होगा. Listen to this.
हेलो, मैं चंदू सोलंकी बोलता हूँ. देवी प्रसाद जी घर में है?
अरे कौन देवी प्रसाद? ये देवी प्रसाद का घर नहीं है.
क्या देवी प्रसाद घर में नहीं है? किधर है?
अरे देवा, देवी का प्रसाद मंदिर में मिलता है, गराज में नहीं.
क्या?
ये स्टार गराज है। मैं गराज का ओनर बाबूराव आपटे बोल रहा हूँ। दैवी प्रसाद का घर नहीं है। हेलो।
हेलो,
हाँ।
देवी प्रसाद घर पर हैं?
अभी 10 मिनट पहले ही चल बसे।
I love this dialogue. बताइए कौन सी मूवी है ये?
Of course, my all-time favorite, Hera Fairy.
Absolutely right. That is absolutely. Hera Fairy, and I tell you that he is an amazing actor. He's an amazing. Paresh Rawal, उनकी जो acting होती है, really gets into the character, and he's amazing. And this was my favorite
Yep.
also. Okay, ये जो अगला जो clip है, it's a गाना. And आपको मुझे बताना कि कौन सी मूवी से ये गाना है. ये मूवी इतनी पॉपुलर नहीं रही, but well, at least the ganas were a little funny. Here it is.
Hey, Artham, Quakapum, Hilodula Sabashikapum. Face to face, Dharti Putram, Top to Besum, Kamasutram, Kaisam, Thundaram, Downam, Mandaram, Saisam.
Okay, what movie is this song from?
Okay, is that the comedy movie? I think it's from movie Aya.
Unstoppable, man. There you go. 3 out of 3, just as he said, 100%. And let's give him Yabba Dabba Doo. Can we give him a Yabba Dabba Doo? Here we go. Yabba Dabba Doo for... Amazing. Great job, Amit. I have to say, Golmaal, Hera Pheri, Ayya, all 3 right. You're on a roll. Let's see how well Namrata does. Namrata, क्या लगता है आपको?
Yeah, I don't know because I'm not very good in comedy movies, but yeah, let me give a try.
Let's give it a try. I have a feeling that you will do well as well. 3 is a score you have to break. 3 is a score you have to break. Here is your first dialogue. ध्यान से सुनना.
चिली चिकन एम्बुलेंस की फोटो निकालने का क्या? 5 स्टार एकदम.
No, I want real India. Poor people, hungry people.
और हंग्री पीपल एम्बुलेंस के अंदर सॉलिड एकदम. हाँ लगे लिए चल.
Good.
ये आका नूडल. तुम लोग साला बाहर गांव से आते हैं तो तुम लोग को यहाँ खाली भूखे नंगे दिखाई देते क्या? You don't see ताजमहल ताजमहल?
No, no, hungry and poor man. भाई थैली चलेगा.
तेरी तो अरे इसमें कैसे बैठेगा? घड़ी करके डालू क्या? ये तेरी हाइट क्या है?
What?
How long?
Oh, 5, 6.
ये फुट गिला.
Okay, you have to tell me कि कौन सी मूवी से ये डायलॉग है?
Is it Munna Bhai?
Munna Bhai. Munna Bhai is absolutely right. Munna Bhai MBBS is and you know the funniest part मुझे लगता है जब अरशद वारसी उनसे कहते हैं how long and he's asking about his height and जब ये body वहाँ पे आती है उसके बाद तो और हंगामा होता है. So great job, you got this first one right. तो ये अगला आप dialogue सुनिए. Again आपको मुझे बताना कि किस movie से ये dialogue है. Again बहुत ही funny movie रही है. It got really great reviews. So hopefully you have watched it and you enjoyed it.
तीसरी बार साला रुक गया गाते गाते. ये तीसरी बार साला बीच में से बंद हो गया.
पुरानी वाली बहुत अच्छी थी, फिर भी तुमने नहीं खरीदी.
तुम भी तो बदल गई हो, तो सीडी प्लेयर क्यों नहीं?
अरे इस हिसाब से नहीं मिलेगी तो पुरानी समझकर मुझे भी फेंक दोगे क्या?
जरूरत पड़े तो वो भी कर दूंगा मैं.
अरे नई वाली लाकर तो देखो, मैं भी दिखा दूंगी. 2 बच्चों की माँ हूँ, फिर भी लोग कहते कि मैं तुम्हारी बेटी लगती हूँ.
शुक्र करो ये नहीं पूछते मैं तुम्हारा दादा हूँ का.
अरे मजाक छोड़ो, नई वाली लाकर तो देखो, तुम्हारी सीडी प्लेयर जैसी हो जाएगी. चलते चलते छम.
Okay, what movie is this from?
Is it Halchal?
Is it Halchal? You want to lock it?
I think so.
You want okay, and आपको लगता है कि ये हलचल है and
I don't remember. It is, I think, Akshay Khanna is the hero, and I don't remember the.
Yes.
I think it's Halchal.
okay, it's actually you know I have to check on this. I think it is Hangama. No, it is Hangama.
Yeah.
And
Okay, yeah.
I am so sorry. It's not Halchal. It's not Halchal. It is Hangama. And I was even questioning myself because I remember watching and remember seeing the similarity between the two. But no, it's Hangama. Sorry on that. You got that one wrong. Let's go on to the next one. And it's a Ghana. So let's see if you get this song right or wrong.
मौका होवे खाण दा मौका होवे कोई मर्जी फिर कोई रुका शोका होवे पेड़ दी कैपेसिटी लार्ज रहंदी है पंजाबियां दी बैटरी चार्ज रहंदी है
Punjabiyan the batteries charge रहंदी है. What song is this? Which movie is this song from?
मेरे डैड की मारुति.
Oh yeah, absolutely right. But Namrata, I have to say, हंगामा और हलचल में यहाँ पे मुश्किल हो गई आपको. You said हलचल, but the answer was हंगामा. But you were also an amazing player, and you were really quick on your feet as well. ये वाला तो जाता है अमित को. So here it is, Amit, for you. You are आज का दबंग. Namrata, definitely call me, and send me an email, and let's see if we can do something for you. Ritu at klok1170am.com, okay? Ritu at klok1170am.com. Amit, दमदार आवाज में बड़े जोरों से कह दो कि you are आज का दबंग.
मैं हूँ आज का दबंग.
Thank you again, Amit, for playing. You're an amazing player. All three right. And I should give you a big gift from La Salsa Fresh Mexican Grill. And email me, Ritu at klok1170am.com. That's again, Ritu, R-I-T-U, at klok1170am.com. And uske baad, you can also listen to this clip on Flash Drive 1170 AM, and that will be on my YouTube page. That's again, YouTube page. Tweet me, Ritu Rocks One, and that's how, this is, everything is done right here. YouTube, Twitter, yeah, you can email me. Aap sun rahe Ritu ko. Amit was our Aaj Ka Dabang winner, and really great players. Namrata and both Amit really knew their answers. Well, मैं आपको बता दूं कि yesterday जो हमने game खेली थी आज का दबंग, it was on our Twitter page, Ritu Rocks One पे, and उसका answer क्या था? Here it is. It was Jacqueline Fernandez. Jacqueline Fernandez was the answer. बहुत लोगों ने आंसर दिया मगर किसी एक बंदे का राइट नहीं हुआ. But however, those who participated, I'm still going to pick one person and give them a gift from La Salsa Fresh Mexican Grill. मैं आपको बता दूं that La Salsa Fresh Mexican Grill is located in 7 locations: Milpitas, Mountain View, San Bruno, Union City, San Leandro, Oakland, Dublin. They have vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. They have amazing roasted bowl, mouth-watering fire roasted bowl, stuffed fajita, quesadilla, and taco salads along with burritos. So if you want to go there and get this amazing fruit, well, go to any of those 7 locations. Also, go there and mention Daisy 1170 AM. If you buy one burrito, you'll get the second one for free. So great, amazing plan that they're doing for all the Daisy 1170 AM listeners. Buy one and get one free. That is a burrito. You have to mention Daisy 1170 AM. There you go. You heard it here first. We're going to go to a short break. I'll be back with Sheetal from Apsara Skincare in just a few minutes. You keep listening to Ritu right here on Desi Flash Drive.